Hi guys, this is Vijay from lathes. Whenever you guys go to purchase an automobile, whether a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, the first question that you ask your sales guy is, Kitna deti hai? What that means is, what is the mileage of your automobile? Now, what impacts or what determines the efficiency of your IC engine in an automobile is an engine wall. And more specifically, the grooves of an IC engine wall determines the efficiency of your IC engine. I want to show you the process of how groove grinding happens in lathes CNC centerless grinding machine. The input to lathes CNC centerless grinding machine is a ground IC engine wall, and the output is the formation of this groove. In our CNC centerless grinding machine, there are three operations that are performed generally. One is the groove formation, one is the stem grinding at this end, and the chamfering. Now, the accuracy and precision of this groove formation directly impacts the efficiency of your IC engine. The first step in groove grinding manufacturing is we start by part programming in the CNC control system to achieve the groove formation on the engine walls. Now, these input walls, like what I mentioned earlier, they are loaded onto an input chute. After the engine walls are loaded onto an input chute, there is a vacuum suction arm which loads these engine walls onto the machine. Now, once engine wall falls on a V block and vacuum suction arm takes the engine walls and load it onto the work rest blade, there is a rigid clamping which helps to maintain the engine wall in position during the grinding operation. After the walls are loaded onto the work rest blade, the grinding wheel comes and plunges. Depending on the part programming, the grinding wheel plunges on to the engine wall, thereby forming the grooves accurately. After the grinding operation and the groove formation on the engine wall, there is an ejector rod behind the machine which ejects the engine wall to an output chute, thereby giving space for the next component to be loaded for the grinding operation. This grinding operation and manufacturing of groove grinding happens 24/7, 365 days a year, producing millions of engine walls. One important feature of our machine is the two-path or the dual-path control, which enables continuous grinding and dressing. This feature helps in reducing your cycle time and eliminates your machine idle time, and it helps to increase your production output. We at lathes manufacture world-class machines which help in manufacturing high-precision products for the industries across the globe.